In this video, we are going to learn some of unethical practice which we generally see on the internet or on other electronic media. First is plagiarism, Plagiarism, plagiarism. Plagiarism is derived from the Latin word pelligra, Plagiare. It means kidnapping or stealing the information. Plagiarism referred as the representation of others' work as our own work. That is, sometimes we represent others' work such as book, notes, thoughts, etc. by representing all this work as we have created it by its own. Generally, we see the practice of plagiarism in the students and in other teaching profession, in which students represents other work such as project, assignment, etc. as their own work. It is an ethical issue which a person should not follow in its daily life. To prevent plagiarism, there are certain methods. First is citation or quotation. Citation means if you are using the thoughts and the idea of some other person, then we should cite it or we should represent it. The idea and the thought is taken by from which resource, from which source. It is the source of which person. So this is referred as citation. Citation means quoting the original author of that particular work while using the idea and thoughts and other intellectual property of other person. Another method is taking the permission. We can take the permission of the author to use its work. Another is acknowledging the source. Acknowledging the source means if we want to use some information from book or some website in our own work, then we should always acknowledge it from where we are using the source. So by these some methods we can reduce the practice of plagiarism. Another is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying or cyber harassment is a kind of unethical practice which deals with online threatening, harassment, or humiliating other people by posting some rumors or remarks about them or by disclosing their personal information. Generally, we see this practice in our daily life, on which we see many posts and comments on social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, in which people comments to harass or threaten other people. So this practice of harassment and threatening the people on social networking sites and other electronic media is known as cyberbullying. There are methods to prevent the cyberbullying. First is never disclose your personal information on online platforms such as social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. Never post your personal images and videos, they can be misused by other people. Also, check your privacy setting on social media accounts to make sure that other peoples who are not authorized can view them or access them. Never share your username and password with unknown peoples or with other people because they can be misused by them. While posting something on the internet, you must be very careful that whatever you are posting, that should not humiliate or harass any people or the community of the people. Next is hackers and crackers. Hackers and crackers are the genius programmer which perform illegal works. To understand the concept of hacker and cracker, remember one term, hacker means theft and cracker means terrorist. So what thief do? Thief steal the information for their benefits. While terrorists, what they do? They destroy the things and they does not they do not steal the information for their benefits. We can say that hackers and crackers both are involved in illegal practice of internet in which they harm the person. There are various methods to prevent hackers and crackers. First is use antivirus which should have a firewall built in that. Firewall is a software which restricts unauthorized user to access the network. You should have a genuine antivirus which can identify the unknown spyware or we can say the ransomware present in your computer. Constantly change your password on the regular basis to prevent the disclosure of the login ID and password. Never open unknown email or unknown messages which is present in your inbox because these messages can be a trick or we can say it can be sent by the hacker and cracker so that they can access your computer. Another term is phishing. Phishing, phishing. In phishing, the hacker and the cracker creates the same replica of authenticated websites, for example, banks and other shopping sites, which prompt you to perform the transaction over that. Whatever transaction you performed by these illegal sites, they gets these are taken by the hackers and cracker so that they can misuse it and they can perform illegal transaction by using net banking or other shopping sites. So to prevent phishing, there are some method. First, use good antivirus and firewall in your computer. Do not open unknown email and other messages present in your inbox. Never disclose your user ID, password, credit card details, debit card details with any other person. Use authenticated websites to perform the online transactions and other shopping work. Properly log out from your system whenever your transaction is over. And most important thing is never respond to unknown emails. So in this lecture we have covered plagiarism, cyberbullying, hacking and cracking and phishing. Let us revise once more. Plagiarism is what? Plagiarism is representation of other work as our own work. It is generally seen in the students and other areas where people represents other work by representing them as our own work. Cyberbullying or cyber harassment is a kind of unethical practice in which people post or comment online on social media and other networking sites for threatening, harassing and humiliating the people. Hacker and crackers. Hacker and crackers are the programmer which hacks or steal the information from your system and they misuse it for their benefits. Hackers steal the information for their benefits, but cracker they change destroy or alter the information so that they can crash the system. Phishing. Phishing is the method in which hacker and cracker creates a duplicate site of the original site from which they gather the information of your credit card, debit card, and password, and they do the illegal transactions and other we can say e-commerce from them.